Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm breaking down 5 passive income ideas you can start today. And yes, you can earn in dollars. Whether you're a student, a 9-to-5 worker, or just someone dreaming about more freedom, these ideas are made for you. And guess what? You don't need $1 million to get started. Just the right mindset, a little patience, and the willingness to take the first step. Stick around till the end. The 5th idea might just change your life. Let's dive straight in. Create and sell digital products. Imagine waking up and finding out you made money while sleeping. That's the magic of digital products. You can create ebooks, online courses, printable planners, templates, or even design elements like logos and social media graphics. The best part? You create it once, and it sells forever. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Udemy allow you to sell your digital creations globally. You could be living in India, the Philippines, or anywhere in the world, and still earn dollars from customers in the USA, UK, Canada, and beyond. Think about what you know really well. Can you teach it? Can you design something beautiful? Can you solve a small problem for people? If yes, you're sitting on a passive income goldmine. Pro tip: start simple, don't overthink it. Create one product and launch it. Then, listen to feedback and improve over time. Passive income idea. 2. Affiliate marketing. Next up, affiliate marketing. One of the most powerful ways to earn passive income online. Here's how it works. You recommend a product or service you love. Someone buys it through your link. You get paid a commission. Simple, right? You don't need to create products. You don't need to ship anything. You just connect buyers and sellers and you get your cut. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and Impact have thousands of products you can promote. And you can promote them using a blog, a YouTube channel, Instagram, email newsletters, even Pinterest. You might think, but I'm not an influencer. Trust me, you don't have to be. Passive income idea number 3, dividend stocks investing. All right, now let's talk about something that the wealthy have been using for decades: dividend stocks. When you invest in a dividend-paying company, you receive a portion of their profits every few months, just for owning their stock. It's like getting paid to do nothing. Companies like Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, and Johnson & Johnson have been paying dividends for decades consistently. You can open a brokerage account in your country, use platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab if you're in the US, or use apps that allow global stock investing if you're elsewhere. Start small. Even $50 or $100 a month can snowball into a serious passive income stream over the years. Pro tip: reinvest your dividends instead of spending them. This way your income will grow faster and faster over time, thanks to the magic of compounding. Passive income idea. 4. Rent out assets you already own. You might already have money-making machines and not even realize it. For example, got a spare bedroom? List it on Airbnb. Have a car you don't use every day? Rent it on Turo. Got camera gear, musical instruments, power tools? Rent them locally or through apps. You already paid for these assets once. Now let them pay you again and again. No big investments needed, no complicated websites, just using what you already have. Pro tip: always treat your renters well and maintain your assets in great condition. Great service, great reviews, more money. Passive income idea number 5. Build a niche content website. Here's one of the most powerful and often overlooked passive income machines: building a niche content website. It's simple. Pick a small topic you love and that has a global audience. Create helpful articles around that topic. Monetize through ads, affiliate links, and sponsored content. Example: love cooking? Create a site about healthy 15-minute recipes. Passionate about pets? Build a website around dog training tips. Once your site gets traffic, companies will literally pay you just to put their ads there. Plus, your affiliate links keep earning day and night. You can build a website with just $50 or $100 today using WordPress or Wix. And over time, it can grow into a full-time income stream. Pro tip: consistency beats perfection. One article a week for a year can completely change your life. Outro: powerful close. And there you have it. 5 passive income ideas you can start today to earn in dollars no matter where you live. Remember, passive income doesn't mean no work. It means doing smart work today that pays you forever. Pick just one idea. Take action this week. Because the biggest mistake you can make is waiting. Success loves speed. And your future self will thank you for starting today. If you found value today, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing ideas. Until next time, stay focused, stay powerful, and keep building the life you deserve.